she's back up. Hi, Winnie.
Yeah, bye.
You know who painted that?
Don't push so hard on it. It's hard to hold up. She was in Mom's closet. Oh, she scared me.
I don't know how she could be in.
She was crouched down on the floor like a little freak.
Okay, everybody give Grandma and Grandpa hugs. We gotta get out of here. They gotta go.
Stand up.
Give Grandma and Grandpa's. I'm sorry. Hug.
Come here, line up.
Okay,
I want to get a picture of everybody if I can.
Yes, I'll take cry. You can give them hugs.
Oh, you don't need to.
Oh!
I won't pick you up because then you cry.
Mom wants to get there.
So we're stopped in Plymouth, Nebraska for fuel and a bite of something quick to eat before we head south again. And see, we have Callie with us. Maybe 2015.
Yeah, you graduated 16, right?
Right.
So what would you have done that summer, you think?
I'm pretty sure I stayed home that summer.
Who'd you stay with?
I think that's when Jamie and Kurt stayed at home and I lived with them.
I guess I never remembered that you lived there when they did.
Yep, I did. Situations just like this, because we don't know if this bridge is going to have a width restriction or not. So I'm going to cross it before Jim does, just to make sure he can get through with his wide load. It doesn't say anything about a width restriction, but it looks like it'd be close to me. I don't know for sure. It, but I think I would feel better if Jim would actually take the time to go across it, since he's already stopped and he's got the ability to do it. So my suggestion was for him to have he and Callie go through it with the service truck, just to verify that I was right, that he could get through it, because I would really hate to see that thing get stuck on a bridge with cement barriers on both sides. So we'll see what he decides. So I'm looking out my rear view mirror over here. I don't know if I have it shooting right, but it looks like the pickup's probably stopped and possibly measuring the distance between the two. That's my thought. So maybe it was a good thing that we did stop. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, I see Jim out there with probably his tape measure going across the lane. Update. So Jim says it's going to be tight, but he should be able to make it. So let me quick show you him trying to get through here, and then it'll be time for me to jet on ahead of him. Looks like he's probably going to make her. In Great Bend for the night, so we're kind of just figuring out where things are going to go and circling the troops, circling the wagons. With the wide load, we have to stop as soon as the sun starts to go down, which it's starting to go down. It's 9 o'clock, so it's time to find a place to stay for the night. So Callie and I will probably sleep in the trailer house. Jim will sleep in the peat. And it's cool enough. I think we'll get a good night's sleep.